Hello guys. So today we're going to be doing the the trustworthy challenge or whatever.
Yeah, it's about people's honesty and saying if we owe them something.
Yeah. Okay, so we're just gonna give this back. We have a car, but we're just gonna use this bike.
Yeah.
But okay, so let's get our speech ready. Okay.
ABC for a big wow.
Uh-oh, I can't type today. I remember from.
You can't type today at all.
Yeah. You made it was like a restaurant, a cafe, and I said was going. I can't type. Hey you. Well, here is some.
Sorry, it was a touch screen.
Okay, so I got my speech. It says, "Hey, remember, I remember you. That thing you made, it was like a cafe, and I said I was going to pay you. Well, here's some money. I have went to work for it." And smiley face.
You should be like, do I owe you money? Okay. Okay, this is your first try. Just try that out.
No. I said, "Hey,
do I owe you some money? Like say 10K.
I remember you. Don't I owe you some money?"
You don't? I owe you some money?
Remember you? Don't I? It's supposed to say don't I. Sorry, push tab. Don't I owe you some money?
Yeah, that makes most sense.
Okay. So we're just gonna go up to random people and we're gonna ask them. Hopefully she's not AFK. She's supposed to be
We
busy.
gotta leave that server. Gotta leave that server.
Okay. Okay, so she's for some reason she is. I know. Do I owe you?
She probably already knows. The reason why she said I know is probably because she already knows it's a prank. I hope
No.
she knows it.
Okay. Do okay. Sorry, I have the wrong user name. Her user has the name Kelly Gamer. Okay. So we're just gonna.
I found a boy in the water.
Okay.
I found a boy right there. He was jumping his car.
Okay, guys. So today we're going. Not today, but I'm going to. How about get on a new server, and we're going.
You just gotta push them like, hey, and then they be like, hey, and they be like, don't I owe you some money? That's you too.
Sorry.
Oh, you don't.
But I'm gonna get on a new server, so I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back on a new server.
We stinky.
Yeah, I know we're stinky, but I can use this back because I don't feel like going back. So we got our speech ready. It's not like a speech. It's just like
hey, and then you're gonna tell them something.
So the shit like I'm just gonna say hey to her. Let's see what she said. Hopefully she replies.
Shout out to the cheer_life.
Not till she
Oh my gosh, she has collision check, I think. No, she just used that right there. Okay. The cheer_life is building her house.
I think we need to go to like a different person because I think she's not a good studying girl.
Yeah, well, but I like her hair. She's rocking that ponytail, girl. I just got my hair done today.
Yeah, so we're gonna go on this person's house. I don't think nobody's home there. Let's go try over here first. I don't know if nobody's home.
She's stinky too. She's farting while she's building.
So yeah, I don't think nobody's home.
Yeah, I think that's not. Oh, someone's home over there. I saw it.
Oh, over here. Hey.
Yeah. But it's FGP. Oh, so I see you're a doctor. Okay, doctor.
I don't want her to take my bike, so I'm just gonna get off her plot. Don't I owe you some money?
Money. They were like, oh no.
Right.
I know what you do.
Oh gosh, there's one there.
I'm not stupid. I watch YouTube and know.
It's not for a YouTube thing.
Oh, these twins.
This is okay. So, what happened to my bike? Oh my god,
Oh
this
my
is
gosh. What is that? What happened to Here's like all of you twins. So close.
Okay, never mind. Okay, so we're gonna join another server. I don't know why she just reset it, but that's weird. So we gotta join another server. This stuff takes forever. Okay, so we're back on a new server.
Fresh server.
As you can see.
Let's not go to that one because they might think we're gold diggers. They'll be like, oh my gosh, stop, don't come to my door.
Okay, so we'll turn around and go this way.
Yeah. Like, they probably need some more money to build inside their house.
Okay, so somebody's there.
It's like, oh my god, why I have to put these things right here?
Hopefully they're not AFK. Let's see if they're coming.
I wonder if we put on some music here, bust out the couch.
You have music? Oh yeah. Okay, so we're gonna put on some music. Hopefully he comes out his house.
I think he's kind of like, oh yeah, sorry, I had to go potty. I had to go potty for a second.
So we're just gonna like put that right there. Okay, so okay.
We don't want to copy my veto.
What song should we put on?
I don't know. Okay, let's put on XO Twilight.
Okay guys, so we'll put this on a little bit, but not for a while.
This is a really popular song, but it's popular. I like the song. That's why I downloaded it.
So that's the song that is on. If you wanted to know. So I don't know. So.
Ooh.
We'll have this one. Uh-oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay, so we'll have that on. Oh my god, well, I'll just put it on and what. Guys, I don't want to get copyrighted. Okay. Okay, so, I think they're AFK, but, look at this. Okay.
Wait, let me see his stove. Because, like, if he's that broke, he shouldn't get that kind of stove.
Oh, he got that, 4K one.
But he got a lot of food on that table.
My,
Mike, just get your way in. Get your way in.
I can't do it on this computer.
Oh my gosh, I hate this computer.
Okay. Can you answer, sir? I can't type. I'm in the sixth grade and I can't type. Answer your please. You got answer that. He's AFK. We'll come back to him later. I mean,
I'm talking about we really wasted our time over there with his stupid lazy butt.
I can't type, y'all. I did not cuss, y'all. I did not cuss.
That's a messed up car.
Oh. Yeah, I can do it. I just stopped. Oh my gosh, can I just open up the door? Like, okay. So, you guys, for some reason we can't get nobody that can do it. Like, this has been a big fan.
But we're gonna try.
I'm not telling. See, I can even drive today. Okay. I don't want to think we're a goat names. That's not how they come in this house. You know what, you guys? Okay.
Today
has been a fail. So I guess this label is going to be fails of trying to do the I owe you money challenge. So this is not my house. I don't know why I'm doing this, but I just wanted to say. Yeah. So hope you guys like. Hold on. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Mm, bye.